Hello everyone, Ollie the repair dude is here again. I have good news to share, which is A12 Plus bypass is back again. That includes iPhone 16 series. The bypass will work with iPhone 16 series as well. Unfortunately, there's no signal for now. The tool I'll be using is iRemoval Pro Premium tool for the bypass, and as you can see here, I have an iPhone 11 on FMI screen or iCloud lock screen. The first thing is disable antivirus. Go to search virus, go to virus and threat protection, then manage settings. Make sure you disable this real-time threat protection before you download the iRemoval Pro 4.0 tool. I already downloaded, as you can see. Open this, open iRemoval Pro. I'll be giving download links in the description below. Once you open the tool, let it check for eligibility status. When it says your device is supported of A12 plus signal bypass, that means it's eligible for no signal bypass. Ignore the signal bypass for now, cause it's just a bug on the software. I'll be giving the telegram for registration, which is by iOS Suck. Credits to him for the registration service. I'll be registering my own serial number for this iPhone, as you can see.
A few moments later.
To check iRemoval Pro registration status, you can open the iRemoval Pro folder, open iRemoval Pro. If there's any UAC problem, just click yes. If your device is registered, you should say it's under process. Just wait until it's ready to bypass.
Several days later.
Alright, the patches are done. So I updated iRemoval Pro has this new version. Open this folder. Open iRemoval Pro updated 4.0 version. Let it check. It should say you can activate the device, and this activate button will be clickable. Please wait, just be patient. Click activate. Let the magic begin. Once it says tap allow, it pop out its display on device and click OK. You click tap dismiss the edit home screen and click OK. Do not close the app, just click tap allow this. Do not close this app, tap allow. Do not close the white app. I repeat, do not close the white app. Leave it there. It's part of the bypass process. Your device is successfully activated. Click OK. Allow the iPhone to boot. This will take some time. And boom, as you can see, the iPhone is now bypassed without signal. As you can see here, my iPhone 11 is finally bypassed. So please, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial video. Please like, share and comment my video, and please do subscribe to my channel. I hope everyone have a great day ahead. Bye for now.